all right. These are 3 things that I wish I knew before I got started as a network engineer about Linux. But before we get started, make sure that you bookmark this video because this is one of the exam topics on the CCNA exam topics. So if you're studying for that, you're definitely going to want to see this video again. So as a network engineer, you should be able to configure both networking devices and a networking environment without having to use the GUI, and you should be comfortable in the command line. All right, so now that I'm out your way, let's start off first with the /etc/host file. That's the file where you can change actually the host name manually, and it's great for testing or when DNS isn't working. And then for number 2, we got the /etc/resolve.conf file. And in that file, that's where all your name servers are going to be. You can change your DNS server to 8.8.8 if you wanted to use the Google name server, for example, in that file. And then you got the last one is /etc/network/interfaces. I think this is mainly for older systems, but this is where you can manually set that static IP or the gateways or any other kind of interface settings that you may need to configure on the Linux system. Hopefully all of this made sense. Go ahead, feel free to screenshot this if you want, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do a deep dive tutorial. I can go more in depth on this for you if you're studying it. And also, I'll be watching the comments and answering questions if you guys got anything about Linux and network engineering and how far you have to go in that and to get wherever you got to go.